Okay, this is Black Bear Pass, which John and I did this last year in the rain. Actually, it was pretty brutal. There's zigzag trails that go down the side of this mountain into Telluride. And then Bridalveil Falls is right here. Probably be able to see. Oh, there's all kinds of Jeeps and stuff up here. Whole line of them. That was awesome. So that's Black Bear Pass.